Happy Friday, Ruckers. It's weather watching time. Weather Watcher Robert Bennett here, bringing you this Friday, April 26, 2019 morning forecast. Looking at our headlines for today, that severe weather outbreak that has been impacting the south across the last few days has finally made it to the eastern seaboard. The Storm Prediction Center has outlined some severe risks. We'll be looking at that in just a few moments. The cold front will be moving through later on tonight, so we can expect a cooler Rutgers day. So make sure you bring a light hoodie or even a light jacket. And then rain chances will exist to the latter half of the weekend throughout next week. Looking at your current temperatures across the Garden State, warming up relatively nicely across southern New Jersey, 65 in Atlantic City, 63 in Millville, 61 in Mount Holly, 56 here in New Brunswick, and 55 up in Sussex. The temperatures are just going to climb up from there, but that's going to be highly dependent on how much sunshine we see. The best chance of seeing some sunshine will be across southern New Jersey, where 74 will be possible in Camden, 73 in Millville, 71 in Atlantic City, 68 in Wildwood. A little bit cooler as you head up to the north, as that warm front will not be able to push all the way through. 70 in Somerville and New Brunswick, 65 in Newark, and 64 in the Sussex area. Looking at the greater northeast, much cooler as you head to the coast over in Boston at 51 degrees, 59 in Hartford, 74 for the Philadelphia area, and 76 down in Dover, Delaware. The Storm Prediction Center has been monitoring this storm system as it's tracked from the south, now over the Great Lakes region, and out ahead of it, showers and thunderstorms have broken out, and they will continue to do so throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. And as a result, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined a severe risk from southern New Jersey, stretching all the way down into North Carolina, and that is a slight risk of severe weather. We're going to zoom that in here across the state. The greater chance of severe weather will be in the Philadelphia metro area, including Gloucester City and Camden, Woodstown, Millville, and Wildwood Crest. Atlantic City, you are just outside of the slight risk area, but you are in the marginal risk area still with, once again, Atlantic City, Trenton, and down into Leetonton, over into Harrisburg and Hagerstown. The biggest threat with any thunderstorms today will be the damaging wind threat. Storm Prediction Center outlined a 15% chance of damaging winds with any thunderstorms today, and then a 5% surrounding that in that marginal risk area. Now, the other thing we're going to have to watch out for is the possibility of a tornadic storm or two. Not saying there's going to be a tornado anywhere, but the dynamics in the atmosphere are favorable for a tornado or two in some areas. 5% chance of that across southern New Jersey, surrounded by a 2% throughout much of eastern Pennsylvania. Timing that out here for you on the Futurecast around 3:30, 4 o'clock, we're going to be watching some possibility of some cells. And these are the cells that we're going to have to be watching for the possibility of them to rotate a little bit as they become more discrete, separate from the line. Basically, when they become more discrete, they're able to work with their environment a little bit better. And because of the thermodynamics of the atmosphere and the wind shear profiles, we definitely could see one of these storms or two start to rotate. But then later on in the afternoon, that squall line will move through around 8 p.m., bringing possibility of some damaging winds throughout much of the state today. But lingering showers will be possible throughout the overnight hours in southern New Jersey. Today, 70 degrees with a south wind of 8 to 11 miles an hour with those gusty showers and thunderstorms possible. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms will be ending during the early evening hours with a temperature of 49 degrees and a south wind of 10 to 15 miles per hour. So now for your 7-day forecast. Once again, we have those showers and thunderstorms. Possibly, some of those could be on the strong to severe side. Temperature of 70 degrees. We get much cooler for our Rutgers day, 59 degrees with those breezy conditions. So once again, be sure to bring a light hoodie. And then Sunday through the rest of the 7-day, we do have some shower chances at times, including Tuesday with the best chance of rain with a temperature of 70 degrees, and next Thursday with a temperature of 61 degrees with that chance of showers. Be sure to check us out at RUTV channel 20.1 every 15 minutes. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher. Follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW using the hashtag RUWeather. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at RUTV Weather Watcher. I'm Weather Watcher Robert Bennett. Have a wonderful day, Ruckers.